Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we unpair Bluetooth earbud to our Poco phone guys. You want to unpair guys your Bluetooth earbud guys, you have the same earbud, and friends you want to unpair to your Poco phone, so friend, how can you unpair? And since you have paired any Bluetooth device, so friend, how can you unpair this device? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. So first of all guys, open your phone setting. After on phone setting guys, scroll it friends, you can see phone Bluetooth setting guys, click on your Bluetooth setting guys. You can see guys we have paired this pre-tone company earbud, and guys we want to unpair this Bluetooth earbud. So guys right side tap here friends, you can see guys use for guys phone calls guys you want to off, and guys you can on from here. Media audio guys you want to off and off guys, you can off and on from here. Guys you can see unpair option guys, tap here to unpair, then it will unpair to your phone guys. You cannot use guys, if you use, so you will have to pair again, then guys you can use guys your Bluetooth earbud, otherwise not. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet the next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.